Lily. Hey, Lily. Where's Mama? Where's Mama? Where's Mama? Is Mama looking at you? Yeah. Look at you. Mommy's over here behind you. Whoops. Hey, come here, baby. Come here. Show everybody how good you're walking. Show everybody. Of course, you're going to crawl now. Right? Come here. Get up and walk. Do the walk. Do the walk. Do the walk, walk, walk. Come on. Chance is going to show you how to walk. Remember, you know how to walk? Yes. Good girl. Yay. Yay. Here's her very own little playmat that she has tons of toys on. Are you playing with your toy car? Is that your toy car? It's time for her to eat, so she may be a little bit lazy to walk right now, but she's going to go torment the cat. You going to torment that kitty? Or the door? Which one? Lily. Hey. There she goes. Up. Up. Poor Val. She gets all the loving, doesn't she? Lily. Where's Lily? Where's Lily? Where's Lily? Hey, come here. End your video with you walking like you've been doing all over the place. Get off those knees. Get off those knees. There's a laundry basket I'm using as a toy box. Thank you, Dad. Dad gave me some extra laundry baskets he had. The fun of having a daughter to give laundry baskets to. Anyways, she's usually walking more, but here is her afternoon today. Playtime before lunch. Say bye, Lily. Lily. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You know what to do. She's being antisocial. Alright, bye-bye.